Oops. Oh. Nope. Well, there we go. This did honor the Weinstein Cup. Academy Award for Best Picture of 2012, but it lost to Lincoln. Oh, it lost to Lincoln. This Academy Award for Best Picture of 2012, so yeah. Following praise has Porsche's Oranges for Motion Picture Association America Inc.
Do you know what a bounty hunter is? You kill people. And they give you a reward. Better they are, bigger the reward. I'm looking for the Riddle brothers. However, I don't know what they look like, but you do. I called my wife. He sold her. But I don't know who to. Calvin Candy. That's the repellent gentleman who always hurt. Broomhilda is my property. And I can choose to do with my property whatever I so desire. Help me find the Riddle brothers, and I'll take you to rescue your wife. Let's get to it. My name is Dr. King Schultz. This is my valet, Django. Come on over. We got a supply going on that's a good bit of fun. Like to dig him up. Yeah, fortuitous turn of events brought Django and myself together. Move it. Well, I've heard tell about you. You got me curious. I'm curious what makes you so curious.
Something up with these two. Them old boys done rode a lot of miles, went to a lot of trouble just to get that gal.
And yes, I'm gonna watch this one. Won the Academy Award for Best Picture of 2012, so yeah.
They playing your ass for a fool.
I spent my whole life surrounded by black faces. I only had one question. Why don't they just rise up and kill the whites? Who knows what's gonna happen? Y'all ain't gonna make it out alive. Anyone bring any extra bags? No, nobody brought an extra bag. I'm just asking.
And it's won the Academy Award for Best Picture of 2012, so yeah.
In my world, you gotta get dirty. So that's what I'm doing. I'm getting dirty.
What's your name?
Django. D-J-A-N-G-O. The D is silent. Adult supervision is required.
Following previous success of All Oranges, Porsche's Oranges to Motion Picture Association America Inc.
Man is not an animal. We are not a part of the animal kingdom. We sit far above that crowd, perched as spirits, not beasts. I have unlocked and discovered a secret to living in these bodies that we hold.
Good science allows for more than one opinion. Otherwise, you merely have the will of one man, which is the basis of a cult.
The only way to defend ourselves is to attack.
Please don't hurt him!
He's dangerous, and he will be on our doom if we continue to have him here.
Making all this up as it goes along.
If you leave here, I don't ever want to see you again. Or you can stay.
approached by JCPenney, we immediately had a wonderful connection, and I knew that we were going to do a fabulous line. The idea of creating beautiful dresses at an incredible price was just everything I ever could have hoped for. I treat Pearl in exactly the same way that I treat Marchesa. In fact, I'm thinking of them all at the same time. We use print, we use laces, it's about the draping. You're always going to get a lot of Marchesa in a Pearl dress. The Pearl girl to me is any girl that wants to feel glamorous, wants to feel beautiful, wants to go out and have fun. I'm a great believer in overdressing. I'm a great believer in feeling beautiful, feeling feminine. We're girls. We should embrace it.
Pearl, cameras from Marcia. Following previous actor, Born Shish, Ollie Shish, Motion Picture Association, America, Inc.
Tell me what you think.
I think we should run the tests first. What are you playing on this one?
Second violin?
Don't you have the urge to play the solo part once in a while?
Of course. I spoke with Dr. Nader. This difficulty I've been having. Parkinson's, she says. Parkinson's? I'd like the season's first concert to be my farewell. And it's best for the quartet to plan ahead.
I don't want to play second violin exclusively anymore.
But this isn't about you or me.
Yes.
No, this is about the quartet.
Why don't you have my back on this?
Can you stop the cab?
Please stop.
We begin with Beethoven's Opus 131. It has 7 movements, and they're all connected. For us, it means playing without pause.
I love playing with you, but you can't lead a quartet, man. You're not sufficient.
You think you're better.
Not motivated. It's you just.
No resting, no tuning.
Do you think it was fun growing up with 2 woven quartet players for parents who were gone 7 months of the year?
I did the best that I could. I tried to be a good mother to you.
Our instruments must in time go out of tune, each in its own quite different way.
I love you more than anything in the world. I made a stupid mistake.
Was he maybe trying to point out some cohesion, some unity between random acts of life?
Do you really love me? Or am I just convenient?
What is it that you want? What is it that you want me to tell you?
What are you afraid of? Unleash your passion.
What are we supposed to do? Stop? Or struggle to continuously adjust to each other up to the end, even if we are out of tune? I don't know.
A Late Quartet.
What, are you kidding me? Sundays? I love Sundays. I live for Sundays. The whole family's together. Mom makes brajol. Dad puts the jersey on. We're all watching the game.